A Letter to God is the first chapter of this book, and the book which is First Flight. And it is a very beautiful story about a farmer who was as hardworking and as strong as an ox. His name is Lencho, and he is one day looking at the skies waiting for the rain because his cornfield is almost ready. The corn are ripe. They just needed a little bit of rainfall or at least a shower, for them to be, kind of ready and ripe and ready to be cut. And his house is set up a little higher in the hill, from where the river and the cornfields could be seen, the flowers could be seen. And in the first scene, we find Lencho's wife calling everybody for supper. The children, younger children who are playing nearby, and the older children who are working in the fields. And then it starts to rain. Lencho thinks that the big drops are 10 cents and the small drops are 5 cents. Why? Because this rain is going to make the corn ripe and money will come, right? But very sadly, the storm changes into a hailstorm, and the field was covered with hail. The entire crop was destroyed. Everybody was sad. Now it is like 6 8 months of efforts that went down the drain. So that was very sad. But Lencho had hope. The next Sunday morning, he went directly to the post office and wrote a letter to God. He wanted 100 pesos, the currency, pesos, to sustain his family and to, kind of buy the seeds and other things. When the postmaster found the letter, in fact, one of the postmen, he found the letter. He found it funny. He was laughing. He took it to the postmaster, who also found it funny. But then he thought, what faith, what great faith in God. And he decided to give part of his salary and asked everyone to give a little bit of money. And in that way, they collected 70 pesos. It was very difficult to, collect 100 pesos, because that Lencho wanted those 100 pesos to look after his family for 7 8 months. So there are around 7 8 members in the family. 6 members, sorry, 6 members in the family. So their food, their lodging, their other needs, the needs, money needed to buy the seeds. So everything was needed. Everything was included in those 100 pesos. So it has to be a big amount, isn't it so? But they collected 70 pesos and they put it in that in an envelope. And when Lencho opened that envelope the next Sunday, he was not surprised. He expected that money from God because he had that faith in God. But then he wrote again a letter in which he wrote to God that please send me the money directly, because the people at the post office are not good. The only negative side that Lencho had was that, yeah, he had a lot of faith in God, very nice, but he had no faith in humans. Thank you for listening.